Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found so many uses for these 3 Apothecary jars from Amazing Abbey. The quality of the acrylic is what really makes them stand out to me. Because they are so clear, it looks like they are glass. But because they're acrylic, I know that they are safe to use, whether I am storing memories in them from my travels, if I want to use them in the kitchen, or if I want to use them in the bathroom, because even if I was to drop it, it's shatterproof. I think it's the 3 unique sizes that also make this set stand out. So whatever you decide to use them for, whether it's separate or you want to put them together, the modern design of these and the unique style is going to make them eye-catching, whether you group them together or separate them. So I have 2 in my bathroom. One is holding my rubber ducky collection that I tell people is for my grandson, but I am not admitting to anything else. And the other one holds my bath bombs. So these are useful jars. They're modern and stylish and beautiful, but because they have this acrylic, I'm not worried about dropping them. They have the look of glass, but the worry-free quality of being acrylic, so they're shatterproof. So no matter where you decide to use these jars, I'm convinced they're gonna add style to any room in your house. They are useful, beautiful, unique, and they also have that added benefit of being made from a clear, high-quality acrylic that makes them look like glass, but they have the benefit of being shatterproof, which is really important for peace of mind. And that is my point of view.